Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Very often when I don't know what to do for dessert, and especially when I have banana sometimes leftover getting a bit dark, then I bake banana, sometimes flambé too, and it's pretty easy to do. So I have 3 bananas here. I mean, you don't have, if you don't want to put alcohol, you don't have to flambe it, but it goes very well with rum. So, yeah, 1 banana per person, more than enough. Okay, so here I will put about a good tablespoon, maybe tablespoon and a half of butter in there. I will rub my butter all over the place here. And the banana cut in half. You can do them whole. Sometimes I also do banana by putting them in the oven with the skin on. And the skin turned black. And I just make an incision in the skin like that so that it turns black and it kind of swell up. And at that point, then I unwrap the banana at the table. So doing it this way. Here. Right there. Okay. I have that piece here. I have a quarter of a cup here of brown sugar, light brown sugar. I could have put some underneath, actually. And a bit of lemon rind. With the lemon rind, I'm going to do it with the mini. As you can see, if you do it this way, you can see what you are doing here. I have about a good teaspoon, maybe teaspoon and a half here. Whoop. Put it around. And the juice. We need, I would say, a good 2 tablespoons of juice. I tend to put them through the strainer because I don't want the seed. You can, of course, prepare that ahead also. I do other type of fruit in the same way. That will take about 20 minutes or so in the oven at like 425. When you have your banana hot out of the oven, this is the time if you want to flambe it a little bit. I have a nice rum from Barbados here. You know, so here we go. It's hard to see the flame, but it gives it some panache and all that, and certainly a good taste. And this is the flambé banana. Happy cooking.